Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Equitable Bank. Equitable Bank, which is Canada's challenger bank, operates its day-to-day retail banking services primarily through its digital-only division, EQ Bank. This means that EQ Bank doesn't have any physical branches you can walk into. All of its services, including opening accounts and managing your money, are done completely online or through their mobile app. So, how do you deposit or withdraw money? You link your EQ Bank account to an external bank account at another financial institution. When you need cash, you can use your EQ Bank card to withdraw money from any ATM in Canada, and they'll even refund any fees you get charged. There are, however, some financial institutions also named Equitable Bank in other countries, like the US, which do have physical branches. These are separate entities from Canada's Equitable Bank. In summary, if you're talking about the Canadian institution, Equitable Bank does not have physical branches. It's an online-only bank, which is how it keeps its fees low and its interest rates high for customers. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.